right here, which I may be taking to the event. I don't know when the next event is. I have not been to forfeit in a while. I'm trying to save up, but it's my birthday, so I'm gonna splurge a little bit. Neurologically, I've not been the best. You know, my brain is a bit off. My muscles giving out, but I'm still doing a fundraiser. I just need to get myself to finish editing, because editing takes a long time, but I don't want to ramble on, and I hope you enjoyed the style of editing. I'm getting more out of my shell, so I'm gonna order these things. I'm also ordering Little Healthcare Supreme Fit Maxi, which is the highest absorbency, and a pack of 20 is only $9.75. Sorry, my Mac just fell. And they are extremely good. I wrote a review actually in NappiesRUs, and I recommend to everybody to get that. It's very affordable. You can put a nappy cover over it. It's not the prettiest, but it absorbs like shit. Like, it's so good. I'll show you what I'm getting.